Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location of this device. First of all, you need to access Tab menu. Now look for location icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, location of my Motorola is now off, but you can always turn it back on by choosing the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can always go into settings as well, scroll down and look for location section here. Then manage location of your device by choosing this switcher next to use location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!